Ms. Walsh, for the purposes of an introduction.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Today, I'm very pleased to introduce to everyone here the RoBovines Team 6955, a first tech challenge team consisting of students from across Saratoga County, New York. Joining us today are 3 team members, Nora, Ethan, and Corin, and their coach, Tyler. As a whole, the team has 10 members from different middle and high schools throughout the area. This team is organized through 4-H's Cornell Cooperative Extension and is made up of 10 members. As I said, these students show their love for STEM through their passion to share it with the community. First Tech Challenge is a head-to-head competition designed for students in grades 7 to 12. Teams are responsible for designing, building, and programming their own robots to compete in an alliance format against other teams. Teams, including coaches, mentors, and volunteers, are required to develop strategy and build robots based on engineering principles. Awards are given for competition as well as community outreach, design, and other real-world accomplishments. This team runs the entirety of Saratoga County 4-H's robotics program, includes a competitive first LEGO League team, a program that meets monthly for preschool-age kids, and a program that meets bi-weekly for elementary-age kids. They also volunteer at 4-H fundraisers regularly to help out in the community. The 2023-24 season is the 11th season the RoBovines have competed as a team. This year, the team advanced to the World Championships in Houston, Texas, where their team competed for the second time. I love the fact that this team, they're starting from the youngest kids and going all the way up through high school. We know how important STEM is in developing those great young minds to work on the challenges that we faced in New York and around the country and around the world. And, Mr. Speaker, I'm hoping that you can extend to some of the members of the team that are present today and to their coach all the cordialities of the House and welcome them to the People's House.
Certainly. On behalf of Ms. Walsh, the Speaker, and all the members, we welcome this team here to the New York State Assembly. We extend to you the privileges of the floor, our encouragement that you continue the pursuit of this marvelous new technology that we're learning about, knowing that you will bring us to a brighter future and we will have a better day. Thank you for your work. Continue that great work. Thank you.